Welcome to the Motomogli quarantine special. Like most of the world, we're stuck here in Calicut. It's just been announced that we're going to be stuck here for another couple of weeks, and I was just thinking what to do indoors and what to share with you guys that could be useful, could be fun. And one thing I've told many people throughout my trip, it must be like around 15 people now, is juggling. It's a real cool thing to learn. It's good for your brain. It enhances your skills, and it's actually not that difficult to learn. So yeah, grab some rocks, eggs, potatoes, whatever you got, and start practicing. I'll walk you through the steps. So to begin with, we're gonna get rid of this and start with just one ball. Just try to get it from one hand to the other, because that's all we're going to be doing in the end. Just simple throws, and we'll do the same thing with 3 balls as well. Try to throw it at about the height of your forehead, maybe a little bit above. If you throw it higher, it gives you more time. If you throw it lower, you have to do it faster. So this idea is just to get the right hand, which is the strong hand for most of us, and the weak hand, to get them both synced and do nice throws that are consistent and the same height. Alright, try that, then we go to the next step. So for the next step, we're going to be needing 2 balls. Same thing as before. Now we're going to throw one in the air. When it reaches the highest point and it wants to come down again, then we're going to throw the second one up. So it's just 2 throws for now. Starting with our strong hand. If it's the left hand, start with your left hand. It doesn't matter, we're going to do both hands in the end anyway. So just pick one hand that you like, and then you just start. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. And try to make it nice throws. Don't throw them like this way, don't throw them like off. Try not to make like one high one and the little one. Try not to make them bounce. Just make them nice throws. And we go to the next step. So the next step, no, we're not there yet. So the next step, we do the same thing as before. Now we're starting with our left hand or our weak hand otherwise. So, and again we try to get it. Try to always get it about 5 times. You can do 10 times, it's better, but at least get it 5 times in a row. Just so you know you got a good feeling for that. So, once this is done, we just head right over to the next step, which is the same again, just that we start with alternating hands now. So, I'm gonna pick the yellow ball to begin with. So the first throw is gonna be with a yellow ball. Again, the first throw is going to be with a yellow ball, but now I'm starting with my weak hand. So this is just to solve that little block that some people have, and to get a bit of a flow in it. And you can start playing a bit to get a bit of a feeling of the balls, because after that we're going to add a 3rd ball. So we're up to 3 balls now, and it's not as tough as it looks like. If you remember the first step, it's all just this one throw, and it doesn't change. Now we just do the same thing with 3 balls. So what you do is, again, you start with your strong hand, and the hand that has 2 balls is always going to be the one that starts, and the hand that has 1 ball follows. So you start with this ball, 1, 2, 3. So it all looks like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Try to make it the same height, try to make it nice throws as before. And as before with the other step, once you get it with your right hand, start with your weak hand and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get it about 5 times, 10 times. Once you get it, you get it. You can do it 100 times, it doesn't matter. And yeah, then we head over to the next step. So once you get this with your left hand and with your right hand, it's time to mix it up. You start with whatever hand has 2 balls on it. So 1, 2, 3, 3, and so on. You do it 5 times. Many people automatically start juggling at this point. If you don't worry about it. Just do it a few times. Once you feel confident, just either keep doing it until you automatically start juggling, or just head over to add 1 more throw to it and do 4 throws. So you do 1, 2, 3, and then another 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can practice with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing. It just feels different in the beginning. And once you can do that, just keep repeating that, and that's it, you can juggle. Congratulations. Alright, so that's the most basic trick that you can learn. That one also just takes a bit of practice. But there are a few that I can show you that are really simple. If people want to see, let's see, just let me know in the comments if that takes off. Maybe I'll start making juggling videos. And so the other one that's really easy to learn is this one. I guess you don't need the video for that, you can just look at it and figure it out. And the other one is that one, and that looks very cool. It's super easy to throw, as you can tell. And I'll just do it again. So this one, I forgot the name, but I can easily make a tutorial or find it in the internet. Just let me know if you want to see it. Okay, that's it. Bye, have fun. That wasn't too bad, I think.
Yeah.
It's filming, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me play that.
The player already.